Over 60. Add this nightly ritual. Eat these 8 foods before bed to keep muscles strong and stay energized. Number 1 is ricotta cheese with kiwi slices. It may seem like a simple bedtime snack, but for adults over 60, this combo is a smart, science-backed way to support muscle repair and deeper sleep. 2 things your body needs more with age. Ricotta cheese contains both whey and casein protein. Whey acts fast while casein digests slowly, delivering a steady flow of amino acids to your muscles while you sleep. That's critical because after 60, your body enters a state called anabolic resistance, meaning it becomes less efficient at rebuilding muscle, even with good nutrition. But research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed slow-digesting protein before bed saw a 25% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis. Now add kiwi, and things get even better. Kiwi isn't just delicious. It's one of the only fruits clinically proven to improve sleep. A study in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults who ate kiwi before bed fell asleep faster, slept more deeply, and woke up less during the night. That's thanks to its unique mix of antioxidants, folate, and natural compounds that boost serotonin, all key players in regulating your body's sleep cycle. How to use it? About 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Eat 1/2 cup of fresh ricotta cheese with 1 sliced kiwi. That's all you need. No added sugars, syrups, or heavy toppings. For a little extra flavor, try a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few crushed walnuts. But the real benefits come from the simple combo. And don't worry about the dairy before bed myth. Low-fat ricotta is light, easy to digest, and high in casein, a slow-release protein that feeds your muscles overnight. It's low in sodium, rich in calcium, and supports the nervous system while you sleep. Who's it for? Anyone waking up stiff, sore, or sluggish? Older adults recovering from illness or injury? Or anyone looking to stay strong, steady, and independent, without relying on supplements, powders, or tough workout routines? Try ricotta and kiwi tonight and give your body the fuel it needs to rest. Number 2 is soft-boiled egg with whole oats. This might sound like breakfast, but it's actually one of the most effective bedtime combinations for adults over 60 who want to preserve muscle, support hormone balance, and get a better night's sleep. Let's start with the egg. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein on the planet. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, plus all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, which is crucial for triggering muscle protein synthesis. Why is leucine so important? Because as you age, your body becomes less sensitive to protein, a condition called anabolic resistance. Research published in Nutrients found that older adults who consumed leucine-rich foods before sleep had improved overnight muscle preservation and higher levels of IGF-1, a hormone that supports muscle growth and recovery. Now let's pair it with whole oats. Oats aren't just filling. They're rich in magnesium, vitamin B6, and complex carbohydrates. These nutrients help your body produce serotonin, which then converts to melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle. Oats also support stable blood sugar levels, which reduces the risk of nighttime energy crashes that can disrupt deep sleep. Together, a soft-boiled egg and a spoonful of cooked oats create a small but mighty snack that's easy to digest, packed with muscle-supporting protein and naturally calming to your nervous system. How to use it? About 30 minutes before bed, eat 1 soft-boiled egg with a few spoonfuls of plain, cooked whole oats. Add a dash of cinnamon for flavor and blood sugar support. Want more? A sprinkle of flax or chia seeds adds fiber and omega-3s. And no, a small protein-rich snack at night won't cause weight gain. It actually helps prevent muscle loss, especially if dinner was early or low in protein, and keeps your metabolism steady overnight. Who's it for? Seniors who feel weak in the morning, have a low appetite at night, or struggle with sleep. Also great for anyone recovering from soreness or injury. Number 3 is chamomile tea with a spoonful of collagen peptides. This isn't just a calming bedtime drink. It's a muscle and joint recovery tool, especially important for adults over 60 who want to sleep deeper and wake up with less stiffness. Let's start with chamomile tea. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural sleep aid, but modern science now confirms its benefits. A 2024 review found that chamomile reduces nighttime awakenings and improves the ability to stay asleep, especially in older adults. The key compound, apigenin, binds to receptors in the brain that help promote calmness and reduce anxiety, setting the stage for deeper, more restorative sleep. That's essential because your body does most of its muscle rebuilding during deep sleep cycles. And if those cycles are interrupted, so is your recovery. Now here's where this drink becomes even more powerful. Adding collagen peptides. Collagen is a structural protein found in your muscles, joints, and connective tissues. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, which can lead to joint pain, slower muscle repair, and loss of strength. A clinical study published in Nutrients showed that older adults who supplemented with collagen peptides experienced improved joint comfort, better recovery from physical activity, and greater fat-free muscle mass over time. Collagen also contains glycine, an amino acid known to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality by lowering body temperature and calming the nervous system. How to use it? Brew 1 cup of chamomile tea and stir in 1 tablespoon of unflavored collagen peptides. No sugar, no milk, just those two. Sip it slowly, about 30 minutes before bed. For best results, use a clean, third-party tested collagen that dissolves well. Worried about nighttime trips to the bathroom? Chamomile is mild and gentle on the bladder, especially in small amounts. Who's it for? Great for seniors with joint pain, poor sleep, or recovery. Also, helps ease post-exercise soreness. Warm, simple, effective. Relax, repair, and wake up stronger. Number 4 is banana almond smoothie. It may taste like a treat, but this smoothie is far more than just a tasty bedtime drink. For adults over 60, it's a powerful blend of nutrients that supports muscle maintenance, hormone balance, and deeper, uninterrupted sleep. Exactly what your body needs during the night to recover and stay strong. Let's start with the ingredients. Bananas are naturally rich in magnesium, potassium, and tryptophan, a key amino acid your body uses to make serotonin and melatonin. These two chemicals are essential for regulating your sleep-wake cycle and calming the brain before bed. Almonds and almond butter add more magnesium, along with healthy fats and plant-based protein, to help slow digestion and provide sustained muscle support overnight. A 2018 review published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism noted that magnesium plays a significant role in improving sleep quality in older adults, especially by helping the muscles relax and reducing nighttime awakenings. Meanwhile, tryptophan has been shown to help reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and improve sleep depth. 2 things many older adults struggle with. Even better, combining tryptophan with a small amount of carbohydrate, like that found in banana, helps more of it cross the blood-brain barrier and get converted into melatonin. That means this smoothie doesn't just contain sleep-friendly nutrients. It helps your body actually use them. How to use it? About 30 to 45 minutes before bed, blend 1 ripe banana, fresh or frozen, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter, a pinch of cinnamon for flavor and blood sugar balance. Keep it simple. No sugar, no fillers. This smoothie should be light, creamy, and easy to digest. Forget the myth. A small, nutrient-dense snack before bed can help older adults sleep better and protect muscle overnight. Who's it for? Seniors who struggle with sleep, feel sore in the morning, or often skip dinner. Also, great after light exercise or recovery. not just a drink, as a nighttime strategy. Number 5 is pumpkin seeds, lightly roasted. They may be small, but pumpkin seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, especially for adults over 60 looking to protect their muscles, improve hormone function, and enjoy more restful sleep. When eaten at night, just a small handful can make a big difference in how your body recovers while you rest. Let's start with the muscle connection. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, all of which play essential roles in muscle repair and nighttime recovery. Magnesium helps relax the muscles and nervous system. Zinc supports testosterone production, which is vital for maintaining strength in older adults. And tryptophan is an amino acid your body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, both needed for a calm, consistent sleep cycle. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that older adults with higher magnesium intake had better sleep quality, fewer nighttime awakenings, and greater muscle mass retention over time. Another study showed that zinc helps regulate growth hormone and supports protein synthesis, key for preserving muscle as we age. What makes pumpkin seeds especially effective is that they offer both protein and healthy fats, which help slow digestion and provide your muscles with a steady stream of nutrients throughout the night, much like a slow-release fuel source. How to use it. About 30 minutes before bed, eat 1 to 2 tablespoons of lightly roasted, unsalted pumpkin seeds. Avoid prepackaged versions with added oils, salt, or sugar. If you prefer a softer texture, you can soak them ahead of time or add them to a small bowl of unsweetened yogurt or oatmeal. Some avoid seeds at night, but pumpkin seeds are light, easy to digest, and perfect in small amounts. Ideal when you're not up for a full snack, but still want to fuel recovery. Who's it for? Older adults with poor sleep, low energy in the morning, low appetite, or recovering from illness. Simple and science-backed. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they support muscle repair and better sleep. Try them tonight. Number 6 is cottage cheese with chia and blueberries. This may look like a light evening snack, but for adults over 60, it's one of the smartest ways to support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and improve overnight recovery while you sleep. Let's start with the base, cottage cheese. It's one of the best natural sources of casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles over 6 to 8 hours. That's exactly what aging muscles need during the night, when your body enters its natural repair phase. For seniors dealing with anabolic resistance, this kind of protein is critical. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed casein protein before sleep had a significant increase in muscle protein synthesis, even without exercise. Now add chia seeds, and you boost the power of this snack. Chia is high in plant-based omega-3s, fiber, and magnesium, all of which help fight inflammation, support digestion, and promote relaxation. Combined with blueberries, which are packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, this snack also helps reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in age-related muscle loss and poor recovery. Blueberries also contain compounds that support brain function, balance blood sugar, and may even enhance sleep quality by supporting the body's natural melatonin production. How to use it. About 30 to 60 minutes before bed, mix 1/2 cup of low-fat cottage cheese with 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and a small handful of fresh or frozen blueberries. No added sugar or syrups needed. If you want a little extra flavor, a sprinkle of cinnamon works well and helps regulate blood sugar overnight. And no, eating before bed won't cause weight gain. For older adults, a light, protein-rich snack actually helps protect muscle overnight, especially after an early or light dinner. Who's it for? Seniors who wake up stiff or tired, are recovering from pain or illness, or want to stay strong and independent with age. Not just a treat. It's functional fuel. Number 7 is warm almond milk with nutmeg. It may feel like a cozy bedtime tradition, But for adults over 60, this soothing drink does much more than help you wind down. It supports muscle relaxation, helps balance your nervous system, and promotes deeper, more restorative sleep, all while being light and easy to digest. Let's start with almond milk. When unsweetened and fortified, almond milk is a great source of magnesium, tryptophan, and melatonin, three nutrients proven to play key roles in sleep regulation. Magnesium helps calm muscle tension and reduce nighttime restlessness, while tryptophan supports the production of serotonin and melatonin, which help you fall asleep and stay asleep. A 2022 review of studies confirmed that magnesium intake in older adults was associated with fewer nighttime awakenings, improved sleep efficiency, and reduced inflammation, which supports overnight muscle recovery. Now, add a pinch of nutmeg, and the benefits go even further. Nutmeg contains a natural compound called myristicin, which has mild sedative properties. Used traditionally for centuries as a natural sleep aid, modern research suggests that nutmeg in small amounts may help improve the transition into deeper sleep cycles by calming brain activity and promoting a sense of ease. How to use it? About 30 minutes before bed, warm up 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, just until it's hot, not boiling. Stir in a small pinch of ground nutmeg and sip slowly. For added comfort, you can mix in 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey, which can enhance the absorption of tryptophan. Just be sure to avoid sweetened almond milk or processed creamers, which can spike blood sugar and interfere with sleep. Yes, this drink is dairy-free, light, and easy on digestion. Almond milk's healthy fats help you stay satisfied without feeling too full. Who's it for? Seniors with trouble falling asleep, muscle tension, or light insomnia. Also, great for anyone seeking a natural way to unwind. Warm almond milk with nutmeg isn't just soothing, it's a simple, effective bedtime ritual. Number 8 is Greek yogurt with walnuts and honey. Don't underestimate the power of this deliciously simple bedtime combination. It's more than just a tasty treat. For adults over 60, Greek yogurt with walnuts and honey can be a powerful tool to protect muscle, improve sleep quality, and support overnight recovery, all while you rest. Let's break it down. Greek yogurt is packed with high-quality casein protein, which digests slowly over 6 to 8 hours, steadily feeding your muscles the amino acids they need during sleep. That's critical after 60, when your body becomes less efficient at muscle repair due to anabolic resistance. A 2021 study published in Frontiers in Nutrition found that older adults who consumed Greek yogurt before bed experienced a 26% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis, even without exercise. Add in walnuts, and you're giving your body a natural dose of melatonin and omega-3 fatty acids, which help regulate your sleep cycle and reduce inflammation, a common cause of muscle soreness and joint pain in older adults. And don't forget the raw honey. Just a small amount helps increase insulin slightly, allowing tryptophan from the yogurt and walnuts to more easily cross into the brain and convert to serotonin and then melatonin, encouraging deeper, more restorative sleep. How to use it effectively. About 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime, enjoy 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, topped with 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts and 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey. Avoid flavored yogurts with added sugar, which can disrupt sleep and negate the benefits. Who is it for? Seniors who wake up sore, feel groggy despite a full night's rest, or want to naturally support muscle repair and nervous system recovery. This snack is also excellent for those recovering from illness, physical therapy, or stress-related fatigue. Greek yogurt with walnuts and honey is more than a creamy treat. It's a strategic, science-backed step toward waking up stronger, steadier, and more energized. Try it tonight and give your body the fuel it needs to recover right while you sleep.